Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Friday, the 27th of February 2015. Starting off with the 5-minute chart, you see a fairly quiet market in the pre-market electronic session there. And then once the market opened, we get a reaction, the market being moved lower, trading through the 18,200 level there, being forced lower, finding support at the left, reversing and coming back, and therefore stopping out the first trade there. We see the market being tested here and then eventually closing back above the 18,200 and then making its way up towards the 18,250. As you probably guessed and can see already, that this was a very narrow trading range yesterday for this market. In total around about 100 points if I'm not mistaken. So this was the high down to the low, which came around 8 p.m. 80 points in fact for yesterday, so a very narrow range for the Dow yesterday. So we see the market moving higher from 18,200 with the triple X here. Market starts to make decent progress, and then there is some news out that moves the market back. The market finds support at the 18,200 level, but there's no interest on the upside whatsoever. You can see the low volume down here. And then we get the sell signal, which goes on to make 20 plus points. Well, certainly it's the 20, but down to the low we had a few more. Now, the markup tool isn't working in my software this morning because I'm busy developing some new trading signals. For some unknown reason we've got this bug, so it's not actually showing up. It's got the lines marked up, but not the actual prices. So from the entry price down to the lowest point was around 43 points on this particular trade, but certainly going down to the 20-point scalp there. You can see the buying coming into the market, and then this is followed by a buy signal, which too also goes on to make 20 points. Just before the close there, you've got 20:45, quarter to 9, the 20-point target is hit there. So a potential there of around 60 points to actually make up the two losing trades in the quiet sideways market before we actually got a bit of volatility at the end of the trading session there. In the daily chart, we've got the market trading sideways. You can see yesterday's market there, the high. Let's just have a quick look at and just check that the high for yesterday wasn't actually breached. Let's just see if I can draw this in. So 37.4 yesterday, 41 is the high still from Wednesday there. So 18,241, the all-time high, remains intact at the moment. The market's sideways for the last 3 days, and you can see how narrow the range is as well. Very, very tight range there for the Dow. In the news, well, there's no news today, so again we can expect another quiet day on the Dow because of this no news. So very frustrating, and but not a lot we can do about it. There's no economic news to move the markets there. So be wary of any signals today, unless of course there's something in the background that forces the market lower. So just keep that in mind, that you could have a quiet day there. And in the implied volatility, up from 10.72 to 10.86 on yesterday, but the historical volatility dropping down nicely now. Would expect the market, or the implied, to stay within the range of the 10% in the short term as well. Right, that's it for today, and also for the week. Weekend approaching. Have a good one. I will see you in Monday's edition of the Market Alert. As ever, thank you for your support, very much appreciated, and also for watching. I shall see you in the next one.